how to transfer Viber to a new phone on Android. This tutorial shows you how to back up your Viber data and restore it on your new device without losing anything. First, open Viber on your Android device and tap on the More icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Settings from the menu. From there, tap on Account. At this point, tap on Viber Backup at the top of the account settings. In the next step, tap on the Google Account option at the bottom to link your Google Drive as your backup destination. Following this, you'll see options to toggle Include Photos and Include Videos separately. Turn these on if you want your media backed up as well. Once done, if you want your data backed up automatically in the future, you can also enable Auto Backup from the same screen. From here, tap on Backup Now to instantly start backing up all your Viber data to Google Drive before switching to your new phone. At this stage, wait for the backup to complete. Make sure your internet connection stays stable throughout the process. Finally, on your new phone, simply log into Viber using the same number, make sure the same Google account is signed in, then go to the same Viber backup settings and tap Restore to bring everything back. And that's it. If this Viber guide helped you transfer your data to a new phone, give it a like, subscribe for more Viber tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.